We're over at the sink now. I've still got my absolutely filthy hands. All right, let's go. Show me what you can do. It's been a while. I've been working on my car today. I've got absolutely filthy hands. Check that out. Lucky for me, I've got some new products to try from Aussie Man Hands. Got some heavy duty hand cleaner. A couple of those to try. I was going to use one for a while and see how it went, but let's crack it open today and see how it cleans these up. And I've also got some Aussie Man Hands hand repair cream for our hardworking tradies. Let's give this a smell while we're here. Oh yeah, that does smell very nice indeed. Okay, onto the hand cleaner. Let's get these filthy hands cleaned up. We're over at the sink now. I've still got my absolutely filthy hands. Check that out. That's what happens when you work on cars. Let's get our heavy duty hand cleaner from Aussie Man Hands. Now, is there anything we need to know first? Apply a small amount to hands, add water, scrub, and rinse. And this is what they put in it. All right, crack the lid open. Looks like we've got a bit of a seal there. We'll just open that first. There we go, nice hygienic seal. Screw that back on. Actually, I might give it a shake first. All right. Give this a fighting chance. That looks like a pretty small amount to me, maybe a little bit extra than you need. I've got very dirty hands. All right, let's go. Aussie Man Hands, show me what you can do. This is live. Should have taken my watch off first. There we go. Okay. Oh, this feels really nice. It's got those little pumice parts in there that get right into those grooves of your skin. And this seems to be working really bloody good. All right, I've only been going, what, 10, 15 seconds so far. And I feel like this is going to get my hands super clean. Wow, okay. Oh, and it smells bloody good too. What's in this? That would be the, I don't know, but it smells bloody awesome. All right, let's do that. That's maybe 20 seconds or so. Let's pop on some water. Okay, let's go. Ready? Live. Hand washing with Aussie Man Hands. Oh, look at that. Unbelievable. Now, it's not often that I find an awesome hand cleaner that... Hang on, wait till we get all the cleaner off. That comes up that bloody good. Oh my goodness. Okay, this stuff is actually unbelievable. You've seen how dirty my hands were just before. I thought there's no way they're gonna come up that fantastic on the first wash. Right, let me get a tea towel. Never a tea towel around when you need one. Give them a dry. Check that out. It's just too good. Okay, so that works unbelievable. Let's apply some of this Aussie Man Hands hand repair cream. Why not? See, that does smell magnificent. I reckon just a small little portion like this. Rub that into your hands. Haven't used any products for a long time. Holy crap. Now, anyone would think I work in an office. What's going on, Aussie Man Hands? All right, so this stuff here has performed way better than I ever imagined. I actually don't come across very many awesome hand cleaners, and I've tried a fair few, and I've got some wipes I've tried as well. I've only found 1 or 2 brands that work as good as this in the wipes, but I'm definitely chucking this in my ute. I'm gonna put it to the test, get my hands absolutely filthy again, and we'll see how it goes. And in between, I'm gonna use this Aussie Man Hands hand repair cream as well. It's fantastic, check that out. You wouldn't even know. Beauty.